Hello everyone, welcome back to Brain Equations. Today we are going to solve a question: a to the power 2 minus a to the power 3 is equal to 80. So we are going to solve this question. Let's begin. So a square minus a cube is equal to 80. We will bring 80 from right hand side to left hand side. A square minus a cube minus 80 is equal to 0. So here we will write 80. We will break it down. A square minus a cube minus, we can write it as 16 plus 64. So from here we can write a square minus a cube minus 16. This minus will make this plus sign, minus 64 is equal to 0. So a square minus a square cube minus this 16 can be written as 4 square minus 64 can be written as 4 cube is equal to 0. So from here we will arrange the terms. A square minus 4 square minus a cube minus 4 cube is equal to 0. So we can now write the parentheses, 4 square in the parentheses, and now we will write this expression in the parentheses. But when we will write this expression in the parentheses, this minus will become plus. A cube minus will become plus 4 cube is equal to 0. So we know a very well-known algebra formula that we often use in our questions in problem solving, that is a plus a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b parenthesis a minus b parenthesis. And we have another formula that is a cube minus b cube. Then we can write it it is plus a plus b parenthesis a square minus a into b plus b square. So we will use this formula here. This a square minus b square we will use here, and this a cube minus b cube we will use here. So we will write here, we will write a plus 4 and a minus 4, minus 4. So we'll write here a plus 4 parenthesis a minus 4 and minus. So here we will write a plus 4 and here we will write a square minus 4a plus b plus 16. We will write here 16 is equal to 0. So we know that we have a plus 4 is a common factor. We can take it as a common. We can take it out of the parentheses and we will write a minus 4 in parentheses minus a square minus 4a plus 16 parentheses is equal to 0. So here a plus 4, in our next step we can write, we can open these parentheses, a minus 4 minus a square, this minus will make this minus plus, and 4a, this plus will become minus 16 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. So here a plus 4, we can write a, this minus a square, we will arrange this expression, we will write minus a square, then this a and this a will become 5a, and minus 4 and minus 16 will become minus 20. Write it as, now in our next step we can write a plus 4 is equal to 0, or minus a square plus 5a minus 20 is equal to 0. So from here it implies, which implies that a is equal to minus 4. It is the one root, which is the real one, and here we will we will multiply this expression by minus 1, so that we want to eliminate this minus, we want to eliminate. That's why we will multiply this expression with minus 1. So we will get here a square minus 5a plus 20. So we will find our discriminant here, because we are going to use it is quadratic equation, and we are going to use the quadratic formula. So to use the quadratic formula, we will calculate first of all the discriminant, and discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here b is equal to minus 5 whole square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 20. So from here we will get 25 minus 4 times 20 will give 80, which is equal to 55 minus 55, which is the negative value, which is less than 0. So we will write here a quadratic formula. We will write our quadratic formula, that is minus b plus or minus square root discriminant over 2a. So here we will solve this question further. A, here we will get 2 and 3, roots 2 and 3, a2 and a3. So here we have minus 5 plus or minus, discriminant is minus 55 over 2 and it is 1. So here we will get 5 plus or minus, we can write 55 as, and we can take out minus 1. We can write minus 1 as square root separately. So here we have 2. So we know that this minus 1 is equal to I. So we will write here I 5 plus or minus square root 55 I over 2. So here our two roots are, our first root is minus 4, and here our second root is 5. First time we will take plus square root 55 I over 2, and then we will write our a third, which is 5 minus square root 55 I over 2. So these are three roots, a1, then a2, then a3, so these two roots are basically complex roots, and this is only the real root. One is the real root. Now we can check whether these roots are correct or not. We will check this root. A1 is equal to minus 4. So to check the roots, we will write a square minus a cube is equal to 80. So our a, we will write minus 4 square minus 4 cube is equal to 80. So here we have 16. Here we have minus 64 is equal to 80. So here we have 16 minus will become plus 64, which is equal to 80. So both sides are equal, and we have checked that this root is correct. So this was all about our challenge. It was a great challenge, and I hope you have learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions like this. Till the next video, bye.